Welcome. If you want to set up power on and off timers in Thomson Smart LED TV, at first you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the system option, pick timer, and right now you have to select clock. When we scroll down at the bottom, we can change power on timer and power off timer. So if you want to turn it off, you have to stay with the off right here in the both options. But if you want to turn it on, you can pick daily or once. Let's make it once. And in this place you are able to set the power on timer. So you can pick, for example, 10 AM, click OK to confirm, and power off we can pick once at the 11 AM and click OK to confirm. As you can see, this option is turned on. If you want to make it daily, you can just simply change the hours or just stay with this one that fits you the best. But I'm gonna turn off this option because I don't need to power on and off my TV at the exact time. And after that you can just simply go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.